Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio 2026 on Windows 11. So first of all, I'll open the Google search bar and I will type download Visual Studio 2026, and I will go over here to the official website, and then afterwards select free download, and then I will pick community version. So I will download the community version, and this is going to take a few seconds to download the installer file. Now I'm going to click yes. Afterwards, the process has begun. Click yes, and then I will click continue. So after taking some time, Visual Studio 2026 has been installed. Now I'm going to click skip and add the account later. And then I'm going to choose the development settings. So I will pick this, the dark setting, click start Visual Studio, and it is going to launch the Visual Studio 2026. So now I'm going to click continue without code. So I don't want this documentation part, so I will just close the tab. And now I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to pick this one, the Python application. It will be a Python application. Click next. And the name of application will be this, my application. And then I will click create. And I'm going to print my first program, Hello World. A new project has been created. It is about to be created. Just wait. Creating project. Yes, it has been created. Now I'm going to use print uh, hello world. So now I will run this program. So I will click this option, run without debugging. And this is going to print me hello world. So I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.